So this is the brand new version of the Br24 by Lenz. Like the 64, it has been done before by the company, but it was a different model. I believe the toolings were lost or destroyed or damaged, which has meant that it's been away for a few years and they've now finally completely rejigged it. It now has a smoke generator and benefits from experience of 20 years of working on these things. The tender has got a large speaker inside it, and some electronics. They disguise this with a coal load. There is some real coal to make that look better. I can understand that they don't put it in because it ends up all through the packaging. Best will in the world, it gets knocked off in transit, so best to supply it separately. Right, we have a cab light there, and there are crew figures in the loco. Got LED directional lights. The loco also benefits from the new motor control technology. So they use an angle sensor on the motor shaft to tell the decoder exactly where the motor is. And they use that for load control and sound control. But the real beauty of it is it makes the model silent. You don't get that descending wail that you get with back EMF. So, really nice mechanism. Let's pop the sound on. It's 28 functions. Some different flange squeals. It's also benefited from how the sound decoders have evolved since the first edition. I think there's a light loco. Oh, that's not it, that's a blowdown of some sort. That one, it's function 9. So, different exhaust beat with the loco just tooling around the yard. Wrong way. And we've got the controlled smoke generator. So it uses soy to oil. Once you've started it up, it will settle down, and then it uses the fan to drive it out in time with the exhaust beats. Because this uses very similar mechanism to the 64, they hadn't yet done the cylinder blowdown on these models, so this has just the dynamic smoke generator. It is of course a controllable function, so it's on function 8. So if you don't want to use it, just don't turn it off, basically. It will blow through to chill it out. So there's plenty of functions. Turbo generator there. Is this little bit of equipment on the loco. It drives the lighting circuits on the real thing. You get that lovely spool down when it switches off.
Aussteigen, Türen schließen, Vorsicht bei der Abfahrt.
And there's all sorts of different functions there. The model also has the power pack, that as it loses contact it will drive and seek out power again, which is quite a handy feature if it stops on a dead point. If it comes completely off, it will stop completely. I can't remember if the original version was permanently coupled, but this now uses their latching mechanism to couple up. Turn the track power off to do this, and just make sure that this fall plate is lifted out of the way behind the cab so it doesn't get in the way. And then the tender just slides in and then clicks. And then to separate it, just push it in a little bit. Oops. And it comes out. So it's very close, and it provides a close coupling mechanism on a kinematic as well, which keeps the loco and tender connection looking good. I think the doors are also hinged, yeah. So put it on a longer bit of track here. Give an idea of the smoke against different backgrounds. I use a dark background to really highlight it. And against the lighter backgrounds, it's still very much there. A light loco load there. When it's on light loads, you don't get the same beats. I suppose on the real thing it's just coasting, so you just get normal smoke.